Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the Real Fantasy Lewis Realistic Vibrator. So let's get started. So this is the Lewis Realistic Dildo Vibrator itself. Now, are you looking for a realistic experience? Then this vibrator is perfect for you. The Lewis vibrator has a vaned shaft which is textured for extra stimulation during use, a rounded glance and realistic ball sack as well. The material also feels really lifelike. The vibrator has 10 different vibration settings, that's 3 speeds and 7 patterns, and it also has a remote control, which makes it the perfect toy to use together with your partner. To turn on, push and hold down for 2 seconds on the bottom button. You will then see a red button begin to flash at the top just there. Press the top button and the vibrations have begun. Use the same button to change the settings. To turn off, push and hold down on the bottom button and it's now off. The remote control is rechargeable using your USB charging cable provided. The charging point is located just at the bottom. Pop your charger in like so, and it will charge for you. Quick, simple and easy. Now, when using the Lewis Realistic Vibrator, we would recommend to use a water-based lubricant for extra comfort during use. And of course, make sure to clean the Lewis Vibrator after every use. For this, we would recommend to use a toy cleaner and lukewarm water, or alternatively, you can also use a mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water as well. And that's the Real Fantasy Lewis Realistic Vibrator. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you again next time.